That's what I'm scared of. Wow, it's coming down even harder if that's possible. This is going in history for me anyway. The hardest snowfall I've ever seen. It's coming down at such a degree that I can. Oh my god! That's even twice my confidence now for looking out the window. I should show you pictures every few minutes. You cannot believe your eyes. My car still looks squeaky clean, by the way. Not one flake on it. Me and my neighbor, the one that plays the drums.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Oh. My window's only cracked open and everything. I got, like, it's inching a foot of snow, like, every few minutes that I'm talking to you. Oh, this girl, it's not a guy, it's a girl. She's really stuck. She's about to give up and leave her car there. Wow. She's really stuck. What if I lift up my gate and throw her my frying pan? Oh, she's getting her back. She's out. She's leaving it. Nobody else can get out if they can't get out anyway. But she's leaving it there. I don't even think the plow is going to come and call. It's going to come. I guarantee we're going to be quiet to stay home for a long time from this. Yeah, she got her backpack. It's not a her. She's out. But that's what I would do. I almost gave up in the morning. I was like, fucking out. What the fuck? I can't get out. Like all random. Like, oh my god, some cars. At all. You can't see the car. They got topped off with snow on top all the way and on the doors. And they started to blend in with the snow and disappear from you. Anyway, pray for me. This doesn't look good. It's not even funny. This looks scary. Oh my god.
I think you'll be fine.
Huh?
I think you'll be fine.
She left. The girl left. By the way, I was right. You should see where she left the car. Oh my god, that's so funny. I saw that. I don't even. She can't back up or go forward. Not even nothing. She's completely snowed in there. And tomorrow, when the plows come, those poor people that she's blocking, they're fucked. Because the plows won't be able to do nothing for them. They gotta unbury her first. She's completely a goner. Oh my god, I got frostbite. I closed the window and now it's starting to hurt everywhere. Oh my god, oh my god. I have my fingers by the window and they're frozen. Oh, I knocked my knuckles on the wall. Oh, I punched the wall by accident. I was shaking my hand, the frost right out of my hand. Oh my god. Whoa. My hands look frozen. Damn, man. Oh my god. Are they really? I don't even believe you. I'm starting to get scared. It can't go on like this all day. It can't. This is not freaking Aspens, you know?
Why can't it?
Huh? What? I've never seen. If it goes at the speed, are you kidding me? Another few hours? This is like some serious shit. Do you know how fast it's coming down? And big and fast? It's coming at such a speed. I've never seen anything like it. Oh my god, everybody's buried in. Oh, good thing I went to the store. Holy shit.
So they must measure snow differently than what it looks like, I guess, huh?
What?
I wonder how they measure snow, like how, the inches?
They can't. And depend. No, this is insane. Let me tell you, this is a real blizzard whiteout.
Did they measure it after it, like, settles or what?
Maybe they put a cup down and see how fast it fills up. I have no idea. But they can't be. Well, because they're not measuring wind or
Yeah, they
depends
probably
where
just use
you're at. But this is really insane.
they probably just
This
use a
is the
solo cup or something, throw it down there. Probably.
Oh my God, payroll is doing my job. Holy shit, this is really serious. Wow. I don't know, JR. I'm in trouble here. Try to fly out here right now. They're gonna be like, you can't land in New York for the next month. We need get a shovel and volunteer. I still wish I had, 4 cameras and they're good for nothing. It would be good to get some video.
Oh, yeah.
Like that shows exactly what's happening here right now.
Yeah.
But I have 4 cameras and they don't do justice to what's happening right now.
Never does.
No, I'm telling you the truth. The video I sent you didn't really show anything, right?
Well, it wouldn't play. I'm on the phone.
Oh, so let's hang up. Go look at the video and call me back.
It was only 2 seconds.
Oh, really? Hold on then. Oh, well, hang up. Let me try and get a video of this. I'll call you right now.
All right.
Bye.
Nice. You didn't hang up.